Hey there, it's Dave and Yoko. Sorry, Dave and Yoko. Dave and Yoko, the RV dummy. We have a story for you. We're standing outside of Sarony right here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside Sarony, and we've got a little bit of a story for you. Okay? See you in there. Hey there, it's Dave. I'm in Sarony. Let me catch you up. I'm going to make a long story a very, very, very short one. So very short time ago, I took Sarony, that's the name of our van, of course, into the battery shop to have the house batteries, the coach batteries checked out. They just weren't holding a charge for some reason after the winter. It was pretty much stored. They weren't holding a charge very long, so I just wanted to have them checked out. And the guy told me there was a bad cell in one of them. After a little bit of discussion, we decided to swap the batteries and get brand new house batteries. This is at a battery warehouse type place where they are, specialists in batteries. They know exactly what they're doing with batteries, of course. So I trusted. So the guy, it's only going to take 15-20 minutes or so. It's a very easy job. So I'm waiting there while the guy is starting to swap out the batteries. And after a couple of minutes, he's working on it and everything. And I went over to the coach part. I'm sorry, to the front part of the van, front part of Sarony, to get something out of the front seat. What I saw there was really, really bizarre. There was smoke starting to come out from under the dash, sparks coming from under the dash, and then actually started a fire. So I started screaming to this battery guy, hey, you better get over here and bring a fire extinguisher quick. And so basically, Sarony, the whole front of Sarony, under the dash and around the dash, and the mats were on fire. This guy quickly went ahead and got the extinguisher, got the fire out, and basically we're thinking, like, what the heck just happened? What went on? I mean, basically Sarony looked like Sarony was fried. There was stuff from the fire extinguisher all over the place. The electronics, who knows what happened, probably fried. The owner of the battery shop said he's going to be responsible. After a little back and forth, he said he was going to be totally responsible. It's his fault, their fault. They went ahead and had Sarony towed over to a RV repair facility, which luckily was right down the street, 10 minutes away. I'm waiting and waiting, and they get their insurance company involved. And after about a week or so, something like that, I get a call from the insurance company, and they tell me they have declared Sarony a total loss. They totaled Sarony, which means no more Sarony. We are here today getting our stuff out of Sarony, getting all of our personal possessions. Sarony is going to be no more. The good news is that the insurance company, since they totaled it, they're being really, really, really fair, and they're writing me a check to enable us to go ahead and get Sarony 2, which we're already starting to look for. So this is actually our last time ever in Sarony. It's a very, very sad day. We just cleaned out all of our personal possessions. It's extremely heartbreaking because we kind of fell in love with this vehicle. It's hard to imagine falling in love with a van, but we just put so much of our personalities into it, and we've had already in the year, we've had some really great experiences driving down to Florida, campgrounds, memories that are just and even fixing things, fixing leaks. Although it sounds like not sexy or not fun, it was just a lot of fun learning and doing these things with Sarony. I'm going to share this in a couple, so I'm going to share this with you. I don't think I can reverse this, but I want to show you. Let me just show you what it looks like. Then I'm just going to bring Yoko in, and we'll just say a final goodbyes from Sarony. Hold on one second. Can't do this any justice really, because when the fire took place, it was just, there was so much of that stuff from the fire extinguisher. It was a mess. This is actually really cleaned up now, and it doesn't look half bad, but trust me, underneath here, the electronics are totally to the point where the insurance company said it's going to be impossible to fix this. So let's have another view from the last time ever in Sarony. Goodbye, Sarony. We had a great year with you, almost 1 year. We love you, and we're going to get Sarony 2. We will always remember you, Sarony, because you're the thing that started us into this journey of RVs, and we look to take this into the future. That's what Sirenny means. It means further, and we're going to have to move further. We have to move on, and Sirenny 2 hopefully is going to be memorable and just have some incredible experiences in Sirenny 2. Okay, so I hope you can hear me because I took my earpiece out, but Yoko's right here, and Yoko's very sad too. We just cleaned everything out of here. Yoko's got a smile on her face, but I know inside she's kind of sad about this.
I have something to say, but anything happened to anybody, right? It's okay. It was sad. It was sad incident for us, but do you know it's not like only sad, because like always happens some reason, and this reason was in the beginning like we didn't know what's gonna happen, and okay, oh my god, we couldn't go to camp, and we love Sirenny, and we didn't know what's gonna happen. But guess what? Actually, maybe if we had a little bit bigger space for sleeping, that would be better, because David's tall, I'm tall. It's good. Sirenny is enough. But if we wanna go farther, the bigger sleeping space is better. Like we were figuring out, but like since we love Sirenny, like we don't have to change. We don't wanna change. We didn't wanna change it, but something happened. Bad happened, but like it's gonna be good for us actually. And then anything in our lives happens, you can take either way. Is this good event or a bad event? Same exactly things happen, but how you take or how you feel is only depends on us, right? So I will take this as our good event, like as Dave said, like we're gonna go further, better, more have fun. So that's why it happened. So I'm sad, but not sad anymore. I just love, and then thank you to Sirenny, and also like anybody who, how do you say, like cheer up,
Followed us, cheered us up.
Yeah. So we thank you, but like let's see what's gonna happen. Like we're gonna have more fun, and then like maybe like someday you can join us. So that's what I wanted to say.
Bye, Sirenny. You were really good to us. We'll miss you wherever you may be. Who knows what, but you've shaped our lives in the past year. Bye, Sirenny.